Well, I got my, this is from Vagabondmango package. I'm going to be unpacking this to show my new bangle. Anyway, hang on, I gotta get some scissors. Okay, I got the tape undone. And here we go. Oh Lord, I forgot. Yeah, she wraps it with this tape. This is duct tape that she made. It's on the market. You can buy this. Kathy Mango. Anyway, alright. Let me cut this open with my scissors. Okay, y'all. I got my new one in. I got the Birdie she did. I bought this before she put it on SA, so mine doesn't have the double back that she's offering on her Estee store. Estee store. But isn't that cute? I love those beads. Look at that. That's real pretty. And then the bird. I like that little birdie. And the sun and all. Isn't that gorgeous? And then, you know, there you have it. Now go on her store on her ETSY Etsy store, and it's under Vagabondmango store. I put a link to it. It's cute though, isn't it? I gotta figure out where I'm gonna hang it. I might put this one in my kitchen because I got a lot of blue in the kitchen. I've already got the sun in there, but I might switch this out and then put my sun one maybe in the living room. You don't have to hang them in your car, y'all. You can hang them in a, you know, kitchen window or something. Okay, bye.